Hello. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to build release version of Android app 2024 build release APK in Android Studio. So we'll guide you or walk you through creating a release build signed APK or app bundle of your Android app using Android Studio. To begin, open your project in Android Studio and you need to go to build. To find that, you should be able to see this one, the main menu. Click onto that, and you should be able to find an option to click on build. Right after that, there should be an option for you to build app bundles or APK. So click onto that, click on build APK, and then right after the debug will be created. You can locate it via the prompt. So you should be able to see a prompt right after this one is done, and you could test it on your device, but it cannot be uploaded onto the Play Store. So let's wait for this one first. Done, you should be able to see something like this. So you could easily locate it by simply clicking on locate in there or analyze the APK. So let's simply click on locate so that it will open the file folder wherein it has been downloaded. Now let's switch to the release build variant. Now you'll just need to go back to build for that. Click onto the click Click onto this icon here onto the upper part, click on build, and then right after, instead of build app, you'll need to go ahead and click on select build variant, which is this one. Click onto that and you should be able to find in release. So you should be able to see something like this onto the bottom part. You'll just have to simply click on debugging here to choose release. So that is just a step on the switch to release build variant. Now let's generate a signed APK or app bundle. So the same thing, we're gonna head back here on build. Right after, generate signed bundle or APK. We have that one here. Click onto that, and right after this, so we have APK and Android app bundle. So we're just gonna choose this one, the Android app bundle. Click on next. So if you don't have a keystore that you could put in here, we could simply click onto this one to create new. So just simply click onto that. So you'll just need to go ahead and fill in the keystore details. So you need to enter a password, a key alias, key password validity, and you'll just have to fill onto which one applies. So choose where to store this. Add in a file name. Confirm the password that you've written. Add in an alias for that. And then just click on OK once you're done. Just click on OK once you're done. So as you can see, it automatically filled out some of the details in here. Now you could check out this box as well to remember the password, then click on next. Now let's choose a destination folder for the release file. So for Play Store, you could just simply choose release for that. Then right after, you'll just have to click on create to finish. So the build process may take some time. So once completed, a message like earlier in here will appear or confirm that the signed bundle or APK has been created. So the same thing as well earlier, you should be able to see a locate message in the confirmation, and you'll just need to click onto that to navigate to the release folder to find your signed APK or app bundle. Now you could use the generated app bundle or APK to upload your app to the Google Play console for release. Think that's and if you think that this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.